few quick updates from Busch Gardens Williamsburg. As you can tell, the kids' weekends at the Forest of Fun are underway. We have Oscar the Grouch, and I haven't seen him out in quite a few years, so definitely check him out. And we also have some new footage of Finnegan's Flyers. You guys can see that they are testing the ride. It looks really awesome. I have some shots from a few different angles, so enjoy.
This is the first look at Finnegan's Flyers actually working. And you can see that you're really swinging. And it looks like the two swings will be swinging against each other. So you're really getting some high altitude there. Again, this is Finnegan's Flyers scheduled to open in May 2019.